Before you head out for a long distance road trip, first thing you should do is go over everything inside your engine bay and make sure all the fluid levels are appropriate. Check your coolant level, your air conditioning, your washer fluid for your windows, your power steering fluid, and check your engine oil and see if it is a proper level or if it needs to be changed. Also check your brake fluid because you don't want to lose your brakes while you're driving. And if you have a hydraulic clutch or a stick car, the cylinder will be somewhere in this area near the brake. Also check the spark plug wires and the boots to make sure they're not burnt, to make sure they're not old, worn, or cracked. And also check your battery connection terminals and make sure they're secured, because a loose connection will make it so you'll lose power. Check your air filter, and also check your transmission fluid, which would be located right in the back of the engine compartment if you have a rear-wheel drive car. And a front-wheel drive car should also be somewhere around here near the transmission area. So before you go on a road trip, just check all your fluids, check your spark plug wires, and make sure everything's all in working order and all the levels are good and all the fluids are in high quality.